Monday, October 20th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. Okay, so another great day of trading, folks, in the Well Charged Live trading room. Again, showed you several times last week in videos what we did together. Now, what I wanted to show you today, so pre-market, we're in buy zone. This is the daily NQ, right? So what I mentioned early in my early morning video was that we opened up with a flat bottom Heikin-Ashi, and that, that's a bullet. That's a bullish opportunity. We're bullish on the algorithm. We were potentially getting a TRP cross and a lot of different other signals as well, but pure Heikin-Ashi, flat bottom, very bullish. And you can see we had a nice update today in the markets. My bias was to the upside most of the day today as a day trader. But as we get closer to this key level, the divergence level, the high level, right? Who knows what's going to happen once we bump up into that? Maybe that'll happen overnight tonight. Really hard to say, but I would be careful being too aggressive at this point. Just like here, we get a lot of retracement opportunities when you are at that key level. So at this point, again, be very careful being too aggressive on that daily chart. Now, what do we do in the Well Charged Live trading room this morning? So at 9:30, when the market opened up the new normal session, again, right here is 9:45. 9:30 is where the market, the regular market opened up. I wait the first 10 minutes. The market went up, retraced beautifully. We held our form. Okay, and then we had an entry right here. Again, nice NQ trade. I basically took 20 ticks and got out. Others took, a little bit longer trying to get some runners. But again, what do I look for? TRP cross, Laguerre, flat bottom, back in the direction of the trend. That was the ideal setup that I looked for. Okay. All right. And then lastly here, folks, when you take a look here at gold. So I get the question a lot. This is gold on the 5-minute chart. I get the question a lot. Dr. When you're not trading with us, I know you're up early in the morning and so forth. Do you look for trades? And what I do is when I wake up, folks, I open up the charts and I'll take a look around. And if the price action, if the opportunities are looking good, I'll continue sitting in my office. If not, I'll spend the morning doing other stuff. But what I look for is very similar. So you can see on gold at 6:45, we went back into a buy zone. No big deal. We were kind of consolidating here. But then you see these Heikin-Ashi formations. Again, this is to me the huge benefit of Heikin-Ashi. We started seeing a flat bottom, the buying coming in here, folks. Okay, and then what you can do is you can get into a trade based off of a 50% candle colored widen flat bottom. Okay, we also had the breakout forecast as well. That's a good entry based on that criteria. The trend is starting to widen as well. Exit on the red dot, which is right here. So yes, I'll look for opportunities early in the morning as well, before we get together here within Well Charts. But other than that, folks, hope you learn. And if you're looking to trade with me in the morning, take a look and learn some trading and trade. You go to education, Well Chart events. You can put that on your screen, folks, anywhere, right? And then if we look at tomorrow, Tuesday, you can see right here, you click on it, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, Eastern. I'll be in there. Looking forward to seeing you. So other than that, have a great evening, everybody. And good luck. Take care.